What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Angela, and today I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this long-lasting summer look. Okay, it is glowy, it is lightweight, and it actually lasts all day. This is the whole point. Okay, we want to make sure that this lasts all day and not melt off by noon in this heat or humidity, or if you are a heavy sweater, that's a thing too. So if you want to see how I achieve this long-lasting summer glowy look, make sure you stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into this look. Summer is here, and it's time to make sure that the makeup don't go nowhere, okay? So let's get into it. Let's make sure this makeup stays on all summer, okay? I already started my brows. I really don't do nothing crazy with my brows. It's pretty much the same. There's nothing different. So let's just skip that part and go right into skin prep. I have dry skin, but makeup will move whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin. So let's make sure that that don't happen. I'm going to use the Bioactive Ceramide Repairing and Plumping Moisturize by INKY List. Love this product. If you are oily, I would recommend the Omega Water Cream. This is very lightweight and hydrating. Moisturizer is for all skin type, okay? It doesn't matter if you're oily or not, make sure you moisturize. Also, throughout this video, I'm going to give you guys option for more affordable products as well if I have them. And I will link both of them down below. Stop right here, don't go to foundation. We can't forget sunscreen, of course. I'm using the Hello Sunshine Invisible Hydrating Serum Sunscreen by IT Cosmetics. This one has 50 SPF. And this is amazing. It doesn't leave no white cast, and it's perfect for wearing under makeup. Make sure that you use a SPF that doesn't peel when you use makeup on top of it. Now you're supposed to use the 2-finger method when you apply sunscreen, okay? Even if you are a little melanated, make sure you use sunscreen. This video is gonna be more of a base focused thing because I'm gonna keep my eyes very simple. I want to give you guys all the tips when it comes to the base staying where it's supposed to be, okay? Skin prep is done. Very simple, okay? Moving on, we're going to use primer. I'm going to use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and this is by Milk Makeup. Now the affordable version of this would be the Power Grip Primer by e.l.f. Now you guys seen me use this primer plenty of times. I love this e.l.f. primer. Today I am going to use the Hydro Grip Primer. This is a primer, as you guys can hear, but a gripping primer, and this will help the makeup stay on and not move, okay? You want to make sure you use a gripping primer so the makeup can hold on to something. You feel me? I'm not using a lot. I'm just going to apply a little bit, and then I'm going to let it dry. This is going to help my makeup stay on all day and not move because it is a little tacky. It has something to grip on. I am a double primer girl, so I'm going to use the Secure the Blur by One Size Beauty. Love this so much. I love to use this with the Power Grip actually by e.l.f. and these two go together real good, okay? It blurs out your pores and it kind of mattifies it in a good way for me because I am dry skin, but this is amazing. Remember, less is more when it comes to this summer look, okay? Do you see, as soon as I applied this, it already like kind of mattified it. Depending on your skin type, make sure you prep your skin accordingly, okay? Now, since I am a dry skin girl, I did go in with a heavier moisturizer. If you are oily girl, go in with a water-based moisturizer. Just don't forget to moisturize, okay? Now, quick little tip. If you are oily or extremely oily, I will go in with a setting powder and set the T-zone of your face because that's mostly where you get oily. Also, I would recommend to get these two products, which are the Oil Sucker by One Size Beauty. I'll be putting it up somewhere so you can see it. Those two are amazing. Or the Danessa Myricks Primer, the Blurring Balm. Oh my god, amazing. I have it too, but it is in the wrong shade, so I haven't really been able to use that product like I wanted to. But the girls that have been using it, been loving it, okay? So I can only recommend Miss Danessa Myricks Blurring Balm. because she's the GOAT. Moving on, we going in with a foundation. This is the Forget the Filler Lawless Foundation. I'm going to use one pump for right now. Like I said, less is more right now, okay? Before you go in with the foundation, make sure you spot conceal if you have any redness, blemishes, or just hyperpigmentation. This foundation is a soft matte foundation. It is full coverage, but I'm not going in with a full pump because I want to keep it very lightweight. It gives like a skin smoothing filter effect. It is beautiful, especially if you are oily. This is definitely more for my oily girls, but because I prep my skin accordingly, this will work for me. It's the prep that really matters, okay? It's key. Of course, I'm not going to take it under my eyes. Anything left from the foundation, I will apply on my forehead. This still gives me like a really nice glowy look in a way, because I like for it to look fresh, but making sure that it doesn't go nowhere. Moving on to concealer, I'm going to use the Kosas concealer. This is super creamy. It helps brighten under your eyes. It has caffeine and hyaluronic in it, so it has skincare ingredients in it, which I love. Now, like I said, I am a little dry skin girl, so this will work out for me a little more. Now, I don't know for my oily girls, but I do have some suggestion for you. I have the Stay Naked Quickie. This is the up to 24-hour multi-use concealer. Apply only where it's needed. This is a medium coverage concealer. This is perfect for anybody who has dark under eyes or acne and blemishes. This one is for you. While I let this sit, I'm going to go in with a blush. Usually I go in with a blush first. I don't know what happened today. Anyways, I'm going in with the Liquid Blush by e.l.f. And I'm going in with just a little bit. This color is so pretty, especially on the melanin girls. This looks so pretty. I think this is the perfect color for the summer. Oh, amazing. Liquid blush just gives you that glow that comes within, you know? Now we can go in and blend out the concealer. You can use whatever you prefer. You guys know I love to use a brush. If you want to use a beauty blender, be my guest. I feel like I'm doing everything backwards, but we're going in to bronze this face, okay? You can't go wrong with a good bronzer during the summertime. Going in with a bronzer, you can't go wrong with a good bronzer, okay? You're gonna look sun-kissed. Hey, I'm going to use the Milani bronzer. This is in Cheeks Kiss. Most of the products that I show you guys are affordable, and the ones that are high-end, I try to give you some alternative to, you know, get the affordable ones or not, depending on if I've tried it or not before. All right, now I'm taking my blush brush again, just to go over it since I just did the bronzer. I don't want that to go nowhere, you hear me? Now I wanted to mention, you don't have to go in with a full coverage foundation like I did. Now, even though it is full coverage foundation, it feels very lightweight. You can go in with a skin tint as well. Now, Danessa Myricks has an amazing skin tint. Beautiful, beautiful. I want to mention something real quick. You don't have to go in with a full coverage foundation like I did. Now, I only used just a little bit with this foundation. It does give me a skin-like finish. It helps throughout the day to keep my look where it's supposed to be, but you can always go in with a skin tint. Danessa Myricks has an amazing skin tint. I gave mine to my sister, so I can't even show you guys. But if you do have a full coverage foundation, you can go in with the one size B12 base thinner. So it has skincare ingredients in here as well, but you can go in with this and your favorite full coverage foundation, and it kind of makes it more of a medium foundation or skin tint look depending on how much you use this, and it gives you a really nice glow finish with this product. Now, if you want a separate video on how to use this product by One Size Beauty, let me know and I got you. All right, time to set this face, okay? I'm going in with the One Size Beauty setting powder. You guys know this is my favorite powder. Now, if you are really more on the oily side, I would suggest to get the Huda Beauty setting powder. I love this as well, but I do want to keep a little bit of that glow going, so I'm going in with the One Size Beauty powder. In my opinion, this one is a lot more mattifying than this one. This is more to set, but this one I feel like will set and mattify your makeup, okay? Don't forget, go in and use your brush before you apply your setting powder. Take a little swirl and then apply the powder. This is just so blurring. Like, I love this setting powder so much. It's almost crazy. Don't be scared to use powder. I said it on my last video and I'm gonna say it on this one. Don't be scared to use powder, especially in the summertime. We want to make sure that we set our makeup in place. And if you are being stingy with the powder, she's gonna move. I promise you that. For my oily girls, make sure you set your T-zone really, really good. Alright, my under eyes are set and looking good. Now, time to bronze. I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Dual Bronzer. You guys know this is one of my favorite. I do need a new bronzer, a different one. I just want to try something different. So if you guys have any suggestions, make sure you drop them down below. We're just going to apply that everywhere we applied the cream bronzer. Using this blush, this is a powder blush by Juvia's Place. Love this so much. An orange blush for the summertime or any other time is just a must, especially on a melanated skin complexion. Ugh, beautiful. You can always use a skin tint blush. Now, I don't have a skin tint blush, but the skin tint blush usually lasts even longer. Milk Makeup actually has one. I haven't tried that one, but that one's supposed to be really good. Now, I'm good with what I have right now, but I would love to try that one day. Let me know if you have tried it down below. Now that we went in and set all our liquid products, we have this little powder look and we want to get rid of it. So I'm going to use the Stay All Night Microfine Setting Spray by e.l.f. This is up to 16-hour wear. This is going to help to get that powdery look away and just put everything together. Make sure that you shake it well before you use it. It has a little ball in there, and once you shake it, it kind of activates it. So make sure you shake it before you... I thought I was recording, but it really wasn't. But I did go in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. This is amazing. A must-have, especially for the summer. This is going to give you that natural glow, super affordable. I went ahead and applied it some onto my cheeks to give me, you know, a little bedazzle, a little glow. And it looks so good. At the same time, this won't move. It don't move. You can always use this before you apply your makeup as well. I just went and applied it after because why not? It just looks amazing. Moving on to mascara. You want to use a waterproof mascara. Now, I have the Essence Last Princess. You guys know this is my favorite one. Now, they do have another one which is in a blue package, and that one is waterproof. I do not have that one. I usually don't really go for waterproof mascaras, but if you are a must need a waterproof mascara, especially for the summertime, get you this one. Super affordable. You can get it from Ulta or any other drugstore. This is what the lashes look like, and when I tell you, it is a reason why this is my favorite, because how does this look so good? But at the same time, super affordable. Moving on to the lips, we are almost done, you guys. I'm going to use the Jonas Road lip liner. You can use any lip liner. This is a brown one. I would actually suggest to get the Lifter liner by Maybelline. They last so long and are affordable. You can use the NYX lip liner as well. They are amazing. But if you want one that lasts really long, the Maybelline one is your go-to. I went ahead and applied this gloss by Lawless. This is the Forget the Filler gloss, and oh my god, it is amazing. It lasts so long, and I know it's crazy for a gloss to last long, but no, it actually does. It is more on the thickest consistency, so yeah, just FYI, but I love it. I think I used it on my last video. It doesn't matter. As long as it's good, we're gonna keep using it. Y'all hear me? They have a whole bunch of different shades. Now, I will be putting the name of this up here, but the Lawless glosses is a must-have. We are almost done, but we can't forget to set our face, okay? That's like the little cherry on top to make sure that it doesn't melt off our face, okay? This is the whole point. First, I'm going to use the One Size Beauty Until Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray. Now, this one is the GOAT. Since I went in with the One Size Beauty setting spray, I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. This is just gonna bring a little bit of a glow back. Now this is optional, but I love to do it. Going in with the Sephora Micro Smooth Baked Face Powder. After you set your face, go in with this powder. When I tell you it's tea, it's amazing. Now I'm not going to apply it under my eyes. And you are good to go. Super glowy, super fresh, and it lasts throughout heat, sweat, and an iced coffee run, okay? Let me know in the comments what are your go-to summer products. I would love to know. Make sure you don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want some more glowy looks, okay? This is your girl Angela, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.